Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and accessing the hardware. This prevents damage and lets you inspect components safely. Once inside, remove dust from fans and heatsink and check that cables and retention clips are secure. Replace dried or crumbly thermal paste between CPU and cooler to restore heat transfer. Then boot into BIOS or a hardware monitor to capture idle and load temperatures and core voltages. These readings tell you whether overheating or power irregularities are the likely cause. Next, focus on power delivery and component stability, because intermittent voltage drops and memory errors often cause crashes. Start by testing PSU rails with a multimeter or PSU tester under realistic load. Unstable rails need replacement. Then run MEM test 86 for several passes to rule out RAM faults, reseating sticks and testing one module at a time. Once memory is verified, run a controlled CPU stress test while monitoring temperatures and throttling. Note when. Finally, apply targeted fixes based on your diagnostics. Swap a failing PSU, install a properly seated cooler with fresh thermal paste, or replace bad RAM modules. Once hardware is addressed, make sure BIOS and chipset drivers are up to date, set conservative voltages, and disable any overclocking to stabilize the system. After repairs, verify stability with prolonged stress tests and normal workloads. If crashes continue, isolate GPU and storage devices. And as a last resort, perform a clean OS install to eliminate software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.